Hey everyone, this side Sonia here, and how about altering your glass jar? So yeah, this is going to be interesting. And here first, what I have is my silicone mold. I'm going to use my air dry clay. So don't go with the color. You can take any of the colors, even the white ones. I usually like the white ones, but I didn't got. So I'm using this shade. No worries. Here I'm going to make my own embellishment, and trust me, you are going to love this. So I actually did this for one of my live sessions for our Facebook page, and if you guys are not aware, you guys can check our Facebook page. You will love it. Now coming back to the embellishments making, you can even check out my YouTube channel where I have done resin embellishments and a lot of other experiments with embellishments making. Try that out. You will love it. Now here I'm going to make two beautiful embellishments with my clay, and I will make sure that I make them very nicely and gently, and I'm pressing this really well. Now the mold which I'm using is a silicone mold, so that really makes my work easier when I have to take it out. Go for a good quality mold. Whatever the supplies I'm using, I have posted the link in the description box and in the comment section. You guys can check that. And just in case you guys have any queries, please let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to help. So here my embellishments are ready, and now it's time to prep up my base. So now this is actually a huge big glass container which I had, and I love plants. So I thought of using this as a planter. So I have been using this as a money plant store, but I just thought of doing some nice work on this, and here I'm prepping this up with a white gesso, and I'm going to cover this up completely. Of course my magic tool is there. It's the heat gun which I'm using right now, and why gesso is important, you can check that out on our YouTube channel. I have done a detailed video about it. I'll share the link in the description box. Now coming back to the bases, you can use your decoupage paper, decoupage napkin, rice paper. Options are literally unlimited, and go with the design, go with the flow, whatever you want to use. Now here what I'm using is my brush water technique, and this makes your work super easy. Now just in case if you guys are not sure what all you can use for your decoupage art is, then something you need to watch is one of my videos where I have done a detailed tutorial on what all to use for your decoupage art, like paper and napkins, and what are the other things what you can use. Now here I am going to use my heat gun again to quickly dry up the edges where I have used the water. Now it's time to stick my paper, the beautiful paper, and I'm using my adhesive. I'm using my Mod Podge. You can use your decoupage glue, and please make sure do not use Fevicol. I know a lot of you have been asking me, Fevicol लगा लेते हैं ना, क्या होगा? No, please don't do that. It doesn't work out. Short term के लिए yes, but not for the longer term. So once I'm done with this, I'm going to give a one good coat of Mod Podge on my design also, just to make sure when I do my color blending work. Yes, oops, did I just told you that I'm going to do a color blending work? Okay. So whenever I'm going to do my color blending work, it is not going to ruin my design. So once I'm done with this, again, I am going to use my heat gun. Now you guys must realize that why heat gun is so important. So do check that. You can even check out a tutorial where I have shown why heat guns are important. Now it's time to stick my embellishment. Now this cute little piece is something which I had done just before starting this video. So I'm going to use this one also. And for sticking this, I'm using my Mod Podge. Please do not use any local adhesive. It doesn't work out very well. So of course I'm going to use a lot of adhesive, stick my embellishments pretty well, and you can use your flat brushes. I love using my Anukul brushes, and like I said, whatever the supplies I'm using, I have already mentioned the link in the comment section and the description box. You guys can check that. And still, if you guys have any queries, let me know. And like I said, this is my way of sticking. Aapka tarika kya hai? What is your way of sticking your embellishments? Let me know in the comment section. I will be more than happy to know. So हमने यहाँ पे बहुत अच्छा border बना दिया है for our beautiful pretty girl. So once I am done with this, then I am going to just make sure that I add a little more adhesive on the corners and stick it well. Very important tip, do not use your heat guns directly on your air dry clay. It is going to bring up cracks. So why is it that you need to use your heat gun because to speed up the drying process. So यहाँ पे मैंने क्या trick निकाला है, I just use my heat gun inside the jar, not directly on my clay. Now after that is done, I am going to use my gesso to cover up my complete base, and you need to make sure that you do this process really well. You need to cover your embellishment really well. Now it's time for color blending, and yay, we are doing color blending again. I absolutely love this. This is one of my favorite parts. So यहाँ पे मैंने लिया है chalk paint. Please use your chalk paints. Why to use your chalk paints? Again, check out my YouTube channel. You can see all those detailed videos. So yeah, here I'm using my brown color and my blue color, and trust me, it looks absolutely amazing and gorgeous. You can blend in the shade as per your theme. So I really wanted to create something vintage and a bit of shabby feel. That's the reason I have picked up these shades. You guys can even gel this with the blue color or the green color, and it is going to look pretty cool. So yes, I have added a lot of water to my colors, and just like आप realize करेंगे that I have literally used few drops of colors. That's it. So बहुत सारे लोगों की क्वेरी आती है कलर ब्लेंडिंग, ओ गॉड कितना सारा कलर चला जाएगा, ये जाएगा वो जाएगा. कुछ नहीं जाएगा. It is just going to be super easy. So you just take up some color, add a lot of water to it, and then blend in, because it really goes with your shades. And if it's a darker shade, you really don't need too much of coloring. Now for the color blending, I usually love using my Anukul brushes, the flat ones with like big bristles. They are super cool. So color blending is one of my favorite techniques. Which is your favorite technique? Do let me know in the comment section, and I will be more than happy to know. Again, वापस heat gun, because it is very important. And as I was doing this in a live session, I had to finish the session before an hour, so it really saved a lot of time there. Now, one of the most important thing which I do not miss out is massive stamping with my permanent ink pad. From where to buy this, I have already mentioned the link in the comment section. You guys can check that. And just imagine your surfaces being empty, just the color blending, and it's empty, but with the massive stamping, it looks complete, it looks beautiful, it looks gorgeous. You guys don't trust me? Have one massive stamp, try it out, and then let me know. Okay. So yeah, one more important thing, please do make sure that you use your permanent ink pads. That's really help. It doesn't get smudged when you seal it up with your varnish. It doesn't get smudged if you have to do any other work, and it is going to last forever. So yes, I am just going to do my stamping on the side borders, and then thoda middle maybe, just to cover up my girl, and just to have one theme of stamping around. So at last, I am going to, like, for the working wise, I'm just using my metallic waxes just to highlight my embellishments, and just to highlight the marks of my gesso. And end of it, I am going to use my 3 coats of varnish to seal it. That's really important. Please do that. So yes, here with this, my tutorial is done, and do let me know your feedbacks in the comment section. Check out the pictures at the end, you will love it. And of course, you can also check out our website growingcraft.com. And I really hope you guys enjoyed this session, and take care, and bye bye.